How to use a Westinghouse air fryer. Here's how to use it properly. First, place your air fryer on a flat heat-resistant surface. Make sure there's space behind it for ventilation. Plug it in and preheat it if your recipe calls for it. Most models preheat in just 2 to 3 minutes. Next, pull out the basket and add your food. Don't overcrowd it. Air needs to circulate for even cooking. You can lightly coat the food with oil or use none at all. Use the control panel or touch screen to set the temperature and timer. For fries, set it to 400 degrees for 15 minutes. For chicken wings, try 380 degrees for 20 minutes. Press start and let it cook. Halfway through, pull the basket out and shake it. This helps everything cook evenly. The fryer will pause and resume automatically when you push the basket back in. When it's done, the fryer will beep. Carefully take out the basket and use tongs to remove the food. Let the unit cool before cleaning. Most baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe. Thanks for watching.